Hello, Ken here. I'm going to be running a sentiment analysis on a table that is stored in Airtable. I'm going to go straight into it. So we have named, notes, sentiment, confidence, and date updated. So these two columns, the relying LLM to do the results. So we got some quick comments collected, maybe on a survey, maybe it's annual performance review. We're going to pass it on to a tool called n8n. We read all of the table records. We're only going to process the records that don't have the confidence and AI sentiment analysis done yet, which is the last three. We're going to pass on to a sentiment analysis tool. In this case, we're going to be using Gemini. There are three outcomes. If the sentiment is positive, we write it to Airtable along with the confidence score. Same thing for neutral. But when it's negative, not only are we writing back to Airtable, but we'll also pass a telegram message. So let's go ahead and run this workflow on the last three rows of the records because they haven't been processed. And then I'm also going to show you the telegram. Okay, no message here yet. When we run this, we will get 1, 2, 3 plus one telegram message. Let's go ahead and run this. Very good. So we should have the last three rows just got recorded. I find that completely distasteful. Negative, yeah. We live in an imperfect world. Kind of wishy-washy, 90%. Brilliant, that's pretty convincing. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the telegram. I already got the same message to say, hey, this needs some attention. Click on it. It's going to take me straight to Airtable where I can start acting on it right away. Okay, that's it for me today. Thank you.